In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a debit note in Zoho Books step by step. If you manage purchases, vendor returns, or supplier adjustments in Zoho Books, knowing how to create a debit note is extremely important. A debit note, also known as a vendor credit in Zoho Books, is typically used when you return items to a vendor, when a supplier has overcharged you, or when you need to adjust the amount owed to a vendor after a purchase. Instead of editing old bills or creating confusing manual adjustments, Zoho Books allows you to create a proper vendor credit that can later be applied to future bills. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process so you can create a debit note quickly and correctly inside Zoho Books. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and accounting software guides. Now let's jump right into the process. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open your dashboard. Once you are inside Zoho Books, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you will find all the major accounting sections like sales, purchases, items, banking, and reports. To create a debit note, you need to go into the Purchases section because debit notes are related to vendor transactions. So on the left sidebar, click on Purchases. After clicking Purchases, you will see several options related to vendor management and purchase transactions. From this list, select Vendor Credits. In Zoho Books, the debit note feature is labeled as Vendor Credits because it represents credit from the vendor back to your business. Once the Vendor Credits page opens, you will see a list of any existing vendor credits that have already been created in your account. To create a new debit note, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the plus New button. This will open the vendor credit creation form where you can enter the details of the debit note. Now the first field you will see is vendor name. Here you need to select the vendor or supplier that you are returning goods to or receiving credit from. Simply click the drop-down and choose the correct vendor from your list. If the vendor has not been created yet, you can also add a new vendor directly from this field. Next, you will see the vendor credit number field. This number is usually generated automatically by Zoho Books. It typically appears in a format like VNC-001 or something similar depending on your numbering settings. This helps you keep track of each debit note created in the system. Below that, you may see an order number field. This field is optional, but it can be very useful for record keeping. If the debit note relates to a specific bill or purchase order, you can enter the original bill number here so you have a clear reference later when reviewing your transactions. Next, you need to select the vendor credit date. This is the date when the return or credit actually occurred. Choose the correct date from the calendar so your accounting records remain accurate. Now you will move to the item details section. This is where you specify the items that are being returned to the vendor or the charges being credited back to your account. Click into the item field and select the item from your item list. Then enter the quantity of items being returned. After that, enter the rate or price for each item. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the total amount based on the quantity and rate you enter. If necessary, you can add multiple items to the debit note by clicking Add New Line and repeating the same process. Once you have entered all the necessary details, such as the vendor, date, items, quantities, and rates, review the information to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click the Save button. After saving, the debit note will be recorded in Zoho Books, and it will usually appear with the status Open. Now that the vendor credit has been created, you can use it to reduce the amount you owe to that vendor in the future. Zoho Books makes this very easy. At the top of the vendor credit page, you will see an option called Apply to Bills. Click Apply to Bills when you want to use the debit note against an existing or future bill from that vendor. This will reduce the payable amount and keep your accounts payable records accurate. Using vendor credits properly helps keep your purchase records clean and ensures you're not overpaying vendors when returns or pricing errors occur. And that's basically how you create a debit note in Zoho Books from start to finish. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where to find the vendor credit section and how to enter the correct details. If this video helped you learn how to create a debit note in Zoho Books, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.